We got the top 5 Stadium Goods back to school picks, plus a special surprise at the end. Where we at? All right, let's go. What's up, guys? Presto here, live at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. We are open 12 to 8 every day, but we are not doing an unboxing today. We've got a special look at the top 5 shoes for back to school. So that's the Stadium Goods top 5, of course. So we're gonna start off with number 5, which is right here in front of me, the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4, brought to you by Travis Scott, the Jordan brand, and that's it. But as you guys can see here, the light blue upper throughout. If you guys have been following our videos and liking and sharing them also, you've noticed that we've done an unboxing video for the Travis Scott, but the inspiration behind this shoe comes from his lineage, which is in Houston, and the Houston Oilers, a football team from the state of Texas, of course, so shouts out to the H-Town. And we see the upper here, full blue throughout, wax-coated laces, blue hang tag with the Cactus Jack on one side, with the Jumpman on the other side. If we go to the back pull tab, you'll see the Cactus Jack featured on the left foot, and we have the white and black midsole into the outsole. Features a translucent hit here, Jumpman hit here, another translucent hit right there. And we've got the Flight on the tongue. And the only difference between the left and the right shoe are the back tabs. So the back tab of the right shoe features the Jumpman. And as I mentioned just a second ago, the Cactus Jack on the left of the shoe, but this is number 5 out of the top 5 picks for back to school here at Stadium Goods. And number 4, we're gonna switch over a little bit, not from Cactus Jack, but to the man Yeezy with the Yeezy 350 Butter. So as we have all been following Yeezy for the last few years in regards to the popularity of his sneakers, they're super popular. They've been around for a long time. There's a variety of colors in the 350, but we're highlighting the Butter as the number 4 pick. So as you guys can see here, features a full prime knit upper. We've also done an unboxing video on these, but features a full prime knit upper, all tonal, so it has the yellow laces, and of course, hence the name Butter. So we got the butter color, yellow all over. We've got the translucent midsole, outsole, features the Boost. Once again, pull tab, also the yellow, has the slightly darker hit, so all of the Yeezy 350s, or the majority of them, in the midsole, outsole area towards this back panel. As you guys can see, the color contrast between the darker hit here and the normal translucent hit here. You'll see. And these are pretty much one of the more popular shoes right here at Stadium Goods, and this summer we ran through these, and we still have a variety of sizes to pick up, but this is the number 4 pick in the top 5 SG, Stadium Goods is SG, back to school picks, the Yeezy 350 Butter. And as we transition to the 3rd shoe, is back to my man Travis Scott with the Sale Travis Scott AF1. So we just recently did an unboxing vid on these, also on our YouTube, so make sure you guys check that out. But as you guys can see, the full canvas upper has the 3M piping right here and the interchangeable swooshes once again. So you guys can see, you can peel this one right off and put this right back on. And if you look to my immediate left, features the interchangeable swooshes here. Got the ones with the flames, and I'm not sure what this one is, but it's the iridescent color, so it's also pretty ill. But once again, we have the grills on each shoe, and we have the chenille patches that snap right off. Fully tonal, like a Sale colorway. So this released originally in a white colorway, but it re-released in a Sale colorway. And what I also was told, missed out on the last time, the back tab there features the Nike Air, but in reverse. So if you guys can see, the Air and the Nike are both upside down on that back pull tab, which is also a pretty cool hit. And the interchangeable swooshes are on the inner panel and the outer panel. Has the 3M hit right there on the lace tip. But really cool shoe. One of the more popular shoes once again here at Stadium Goods. As we transition into the number 2 shoe, back to my man Yeezy. No, we're not being biased, but if we're going off of popularity, these have been some of the hottest shoes of the summer. The number 2 pick out of the top 5 back-to-school picks here at Stadium Goods is the Yeezy 500 Utility Black. So this has easily been one of the more popular shoes here at Stadium Goods. It's fully functional, it's accessible, we got a variety of sizes, and it pretty much looks good with everything. But we have it here as our number 2 pick. So as you guys can see, we've also done an unboxing video on these. Fully suede throughout the upper with a variety of different materials. We've got some leather, we've got some mesh, we've got the fully tonal laces. So as you guys can see, it's fully tonal throughout. And from what I've been hearing in regards to the reviews on this shoe, it's super duper comfortable. I personally do not have a pair of these, but they look really good on, and from what I hear, as I just said, they are super comfortable. So it has the Ortholite and the Adiprene, Ortholite insole, Adiprene on the outsole, midsole. So the Adiprene is pretty much it's not boost. So always keep in mind that the Yeezy 500s do not have boost in them, but they are also really comfortable, just as the 350s are. And as we get to number 1, you guys may have an idea what it is, may not, but we're gonna transition back to my man who's been killing it this whole year. And the number 1 shoe in the top 5 Stadium Goods picks for back to school is the Off-White Presto, brought to you by Virgil and the Off-White brand in the collaboration with Nike. So we've been following the Off-White Nike collaborations strong for the last year or so. And they've been one of the more popular shoes in regards to all sneakers that have been released. But this is the more recent full black on black Presto Off-White, brought to you by, once again, Virgil and Nike. So if we look at the upper, we also did an unboxing review on this one. So if you look at the upper, fully mesh throughout. We've got another set of different materials. It's pretty much a abstract take on the normal Presto. So we have the white swoosh there. We have the orange tab hit here. The Nike hit there, of course the zip tie, which is classic to all Virgil Nike silhouettes. And it also comes with an additional set of laces. You see the orange laces here. And let's just go to the inner panel real quick. As you guys are familiar with all Off-White releases, they feature the original day of production of that particular shoe and just the correct pronunciation and the name of this particular shoe. So it says Off-White, Nike Air Presto, Beaverton, Oregon, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is the year 2000. So the original Presto was released in 2000. This is easily the number 1 shoe in the Stadium Goods top 5 picks for back to school. But we've got a special treat for you. We have the 2 staff picks specifically from the Stadium Goods staff as to their choices on the back to school shoes and what's hot. So I'm gonna get into the Lunar Air Force One collaboration with Acronym, and also one of the most popular shoes of 2018, the React Element 87. So we're gonna transition right into the Stadium staff picks. We've got the React Element 87, and a wild card pick, which you guys might not be familiar with, is the Acronym Air Force One. So the Acronym Air Force One released, I want to say last year at Complex Time, but it's released a few times after. And the React Element 87 is one of the newest, hottest shoes that are out on the market. And we've done unboxings on, I believe, both of these at one point in time or another. But React Element features the TPE upper, fully translucent. Hope you guys have been liking and sharing all of our videos, because I just did unboxing on these. Variety of different materials here in the tongue and lace area. We've got the 3M. We've got the fully white midsole, outsole, with the blue hits here. And just so you guys know, we're gonna transition into this Acronym. So the Acronym features the lunar bottom, so it's really comfortable, which is why it's also one of the favorites here at Stadium. We've got the zip here, which you guys can unzip. See that? That's actually pretty cool. And it features the slightly elevated swoosh right there. Fully tonal, fully white on white, but it is easily one of the favorites here at Stadium Goods. And just so you know it's real, in regards to the Acronym Air Force One, if it's really one of Stadium Goods staff picks, and so, all shoes that have been featured, the top 5 and the Stadium Goods staff picks, are all available right here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. We're open 12 to 8. If you have any questions or inquiries, please visit stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you like and share all of our videos on Facebook and on YouTube and all of the different platforms. please download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And last but not least, make sure you follow @Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.